the planet-based cooking, exploring techniques of rise of food delivery service. The enjoying food is about more than just not a food. It's a tasty, mindful relief, creativity, and connection that food brings to our lives. Whether you homemade meal with loved one, exploring new and flavor, celebrating food like a wow, like a food, the tasty moment. Everybody food every day, eat every day, enjoying every day. The support the food channel. Everybody enjoy food. The food is travel. Traveling offers opportunity to experience different culture, different foods. We are tasting different food. Every day we make good tasty food. Millions people are enjoying food around the world. The street food is very super. The local food, the star hotel, get a cultural different tradition. Family tradition. Many families have cherished food tradition passed down through generation from secret recipe to holiday, whether baking cookies with grandma, hosting a weekly family dinner, and gathering for a special meal on holidays. This tradition create lasting memories and strengthen families' bonds. Food is pairing. Pairing food with a complementary beverage such as wine, beer, or cookies. Tasty flavors of experience elevate food and drink from wine, cheese, pairing to craft to drinks food festival. Exploring the food and beverage pairing can be fun and delicious adventure. Cooking together. The husband, wife, family, friend, sister, everything is cooking. Cooking with others can be joyful and collaborative experience, allowing friends and family to bond over shared meals and creation. Hosting cooking party, the friends participation, cooking the classes, or simply preparing a meal together at home. Cooking can be fun and rewarding activity to foster and teamwork. Food has a powerful ability evoke memories and emotion, transporting us back to moments of joy and comfort. The smell of freshly baked bread of childhood, a tasty of favorite family recipe bring back memories, loved ones, the everybody taste. Food is everybody enjoy any media. The joy of giving, sharing food with others can bring immense joy and fulfillment. Cooking a meal for a loved one, donating food to those need participation, community food drives the act of giving, the both their giving and the recipe everybody tastes. Enjoying food is multifaceted experience that joy, creativity, connection, and culture richness. Whether exploring new flavors, cooking the like chicken, non-veg or veg, egg rice, pista, badam, pizza, juice, cakes, lot of cake, chocolate cake, lot of cake. Everybody they making this food channel, enjoying the share and subscribers, the greatness of food. The welcome to the food culture. We are respecting food others. The each one ingredients we make enjoying. The food is celebrating lot of events. Food plays a central role in many culture and